Hello students, welcome to my channel. Let's learn. Today I am going to explain the poverty as a challenge of class 9 economics. Let's start. First question: when the health of a person suffers due to deficiency of nutrients in food as per his daily requirement, he or she to be is the victim of malnutrition. Question number 2: what helped West Bengal in reducing poverty? वेस्ट बंगाल को क्या हेल्प किया था अपनी पॉवर्टी को रिड्यूस करने के लिए? आंसर इज लैंड रिफॉर्म measures. Then question number 3: how many people in India live below poverty line? हमारे इंडिया में कितने पीपल बिलो पॉवर्टी लाइन में है? आपको पता होगा, आप सोचिएगा ज़रा. In India there are 270 million people are below the poverty line. Question number 4: in rural areas in India, the accepted average calories requirement per person per day is? रूरल एरियाज में एवरेज कैलोरी रिक्वायरमेंट पर पर्सन के लिए कितने हैं? दैट इज़ 2400 कैलोरीज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5: व्हाट इज़ द मोस्ट डिफ़िकल्ट चैलेंज फेस्ड बाय इंडिपेंडेंट इंडिया? इंडिपेंडेंट इंडिया कौन सी डिफ़िकल्ट चैलेंज फेस करता है? पॉवर्टी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6: PMRY was started in 1993, stands for PMRY is Prime Minister Rozgar Yojana. Then question number 7: mention any one common indicator of poverty. One indicator poverty क्या होती है? Social exclusion is a common indicator of poverty today. Then question number 8: how is the analysis of poverty becoming rich in recent years? The analysis of poverty is being enriched through a variety of new concepts like social exclusion and vulnerability. What is poverty line? Poverty line means it is an indicator of poverty. It is a level of income which barely meets sustenance. Okay. When a person considered poor, a person is considered poor if his or her income or consumption level falls below the given minimum level necessary to fulfill the basic needs. कब एक पर्सन को पुअर बोला जाता है, कंसिडर किया जाता है? जब उसका इनकम और कंजप्शन लेवल जो है वो बिलो होता है गिवन मिनिमम लेवल, उसका जो मिनिमम लेवल ऑफ नेसेसरी टू फुलफिल द बेसिक नीड्स होता है उससे अगर कम होता है तब उसको हम पुअर बोलते हैं, पुअर पीपल. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन: हु इज़ एन अर्बन पुअर? एन अर्बन पुअर इज़ अ पर्सन हु हैज़ एन इनकम 1000 rupees per month and in terms of calories has a requirement of 2100 calories per person per day. Next question: which methods are used to estimate the poverty line in India? कौन सी मेथड्स को यूज़ करा जाता है पॉवर्टी लाइन इन इंडिया में एस्टिमेट करने के लिए? द डेली इनकम एंड कंजप्शन मेथड आर यूज्ड टू एस्टिमेट द पॉवर्टी लाइन इन इंडिया. द नेक्स्ट question number 13: what are the two main causes of poverty in India? The two main causes क्या है पॉवर्टी इन इंडिया का? That is low level of economic development under the British colonializations, a high growth rate of populations. Then question number 12: what is the full form of NSSO? Answer is National Sample Survey Organization. What is question number 13? Which are the poorest states in India? Odisha and Bihar. How is poverty defined by the World Bank? Poverty is defined by the World Bank as living on less than $1.90 per day. The next question is: how does a country measure its poverty? Each country uses an imaginary line that is considered appropriate for its existing level of development and its accepted minimum social norms. What is question number 19? How is the food requirement estimated in poverty line? पॉवर्टी लाइन के लिए फूड रिक्वायरमेंट क्या एस्टिमेट कहा गया? द प्रेजेंट फार्मूला फॉर फूड रिक्वायरमेंट वाइल एस्टिमेटिंग इन पॉवर्टी लाइन इज बेस्ड ऑन द डिजायर्ड कैलोरी रिक्वायरमेंट. That is the desired calorie requirement. Just like food items such as cereals, pulses, vegetables, milk, oil, sugar, etc. together provide these needed calories. Then question number 20 is, what is the accepted average calorie requirement in India? इंडिया में एक्सेप्टेड एवरेज कैलोरी रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है? द एक्सेप्टेड एवरेज कैलोरी रिक्वायरमेंट इन इंडिया इज 2400 कैलोरीज पर पर्सन per day in rural areas and 2100 calories per person per day in urban areas. Then who advocated that India would be truly independent only when the poorest of its people become free of human suffering? Mahatma Gandhi. The next question is, which scheme was started in 1993 to create self-employment opportunities for educated unemployed youth in rural areas and small towns? Prime Minister Rozgar Yojana. For how many days मनरेगा provides employment? मनरेगा जो एक हमारा एक एम्प्लॉयमेंट प्रोग्राम है वो कितना दिन के लिए एम्प्लॉयमेंट देता है? 100 days. Which country of Southeast Asia made rapid economic growth resulting in a significant decline in poverty? कौन सी कंट्री जो है साउथ ईस्ट एशिया का उसका इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ रेट बहुत ज़्यादा है एंड सिग्निफिकेंट डिक्लाइन इन पॉवर्टी? चाइना. Which social groups are most vulnerable to poverty? The social groups which are vulnerable to poverty are scheduled caste and scheduled tribe households. Next question, which states of India have seen a significant decline in poverty? इंडिया में कौन से स्टेट्स जहाँ पर पॉवर्टी डिक्लाइन हुआ है? आंसर इज केरला, महाराष्ट्र, आंध्र प्रदेश, तमिलनाडु, गुजरात एंड वेस्ट बंगाल. Question number 27, on which two planks does the current anti-poverty strategy of the government is based on? Promotion of economic growth, then targeted anti-poverty programs. Then question number 28, what are the biggest challenges before India? The biggest challenges are providing healthcare, education and job security for all and achieving gender equality and dignity for the poor are the bigger challenges before India. I hope you understand these important extra questions answers and you should learn these questions. Hope you will understand it. Then if you understand, then please like, share and subscribe my channel, that is Let's Learn, for the further notifications. Thank you students.